Knights, I'm Anne, and here's what's happening at SOCES this week.
Congratulations to our vibrant speech and debate team who competed in the state championships and had the following results. Program Oral Interpretation, Pattern K, 25th in California. Carla Garcia Robinson, 26th in Original Advocacy. Duo, Abigail Lucas and Aya, 54th in the state of California. SOCES is grateful to Coach Barish, Poole, and Perez for their leadership and mentorship of our students.
Congratulations to the SOCES Robotics team who competed in the first Tech Challenge World Championship last week in Houston, Texas. 10 SOCES students competed against 191 of the world's best robotics teams. They were the first SOCES team to compete for the world time, and just qualifying for the event was an amazing accomplishment. Congratulations to the team members Meredith, Marie, Ryan, Henry, Santiago, Pascal, Shoria, Samantha, Andrew, and Bruno, and Miss White and Mr. Gutierrez.
Come support dance production show Dancing in the Dark on May 5th and 6th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is their first show since COVID, and they can't wait to showcase their talents.
High schoolers, AP exams are this week and next week, so make sure to prepare and do your best. Be on time and don't let stress get in the way of you succeeding.
Junior Band will be holding their Mini Pops concert May 4th in Glen Hall at 7 p.m. Make sure you come and support.
On May 11th and 12th, our middle school students will be performing 2 plays in Glen Hall. The first one is If the Shoe Fits by Karen Woodford, which is a modernized take on Cinderella. The second one is...
The second play is called A Mystery on 13th Street, and it's about a group of kids who go to see an inventor and doctor who has a reputation for maybe turning kids into cats.
On Friday, April 21st, there was an Armenian Genocide Assembly during 4th period. There were performances from our students. Here is the footage from that.
On April 24th, 1915, the massacre of Armenian men, women, children, and elders began, orchestrated and executed by the Ottoman Empire. The first group of Armenians killed were intellectuals and journalists. They would send out families, no matter the age, out into the desert without food or water. Some would die there, and others brutally throughout the years. The genocide happened until 1917.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Sophie Pagosian.
And what grade are you in?
I'm in 11th grade.
And what was the intent of organizing this assembly, and how do you feel about it?
My intentions on organizing this assembly were to show to our school, our classmates, our teachers that, you know, every April 24th when we wear our shirts, when we march, when we go out, when we do what we do, it's not for nothing. It's because as a people we went through this and so much more, but what we look at, we don't look at the sadness of it. We look at that we're still here, strong, united.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
What does the Armenian Club mean to the SOCES community?
We want to spread the word of what being an Armenian means because we actually were eliminated to such a small population. And here at SOCES, we have a huge population. But that's not likely in all parts of the world or all parts of California or LAUSD. So We're informing students and teachers and staff about who we are as a nation, why it's so important that we let others know about our past, because it really truly is in history but is denied in many parts of the world, including the people who tried to eliminate us, the Turks.
Thank you so much. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Roxy.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
And how did you feel about the assembly and how it turned out, and did you feel nervous?
I think the assembly turned out great. The first half I messed up, so after that I was kind of nervous, but as I did the second half and I started dancing, like all the jitters went away.
Great, thank you so much.
That's all for this week. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Cause you're only a man, and a man's got to learn to take it. Try to believe, though the going gets rough, that you gotta hang tough to make it. History repeats itself, try and you succeed. Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dream. You're the best around, nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around, and nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around, nothing's gonna ever keep you down. Fight to the end, cause your life will depend on the strength that you have inside you. I gotta be proud, standing out in the crowd when the odds in the game defy you. Try your best to